Okay, question 16. It says all tickets for a show are the same price. They're all the same price. Angela and Pauline pay £72 for some tickets. Okay, so we've got £72 equals some number of tickets. Call it X. Pauline pays £40.50 for 9 tickets. Well, if they're all the same price and she pays that for 9 tickets, we should be able to work it out for 1. Now you could write it as 9T. 9 tickets equals £40.50. So if you don't understand that you just need to divide 1, you can see here algebraically 9t means 9 times t. We need to get t on its own, so we divide by 9. What we do to one side we do to the other. So to get t, 1 ticket, we do £40.50 divided by 9, and you could do that as a bus stop. So it'd be 9. How many 9s in 40.5? 0. Put 0 in. How many 9s go into 4? 0. How many 9s go into 40? 9, 18, 27, 36. That's 4. 4 is 36. That means you've got 4 left over. So we can carry that one there. And we can say, how many 9s go into 4? Well, we know it's not going to go, but we've got this decimal. How many 9s go into 4.5? Well, it doesn't, does it? However, we know there's going to be a decimal there. How many 9s go into 45 is 5, so it's half, and it makes sense. £4.50 for 1 ticket. That makes about right, doesn't that? That's about right. If it was 10 tickets, it would be £4.05. So 9 is going to be a bit bigger, £4.50. So we can write here 1 ticket equals £4.50. Okay. Next then, it says they pay £72 altogether. Pauline pays £40.50. Therefore, we can work out the cost of what Angela paid, and that's going to be £72. Subtract £40.50 from that. 0 minus 0 is 0. Can't do 0 minus 5, so we borrow 10 from here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Put a decimal in. 1 minus nothing is still 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. £31.50. So Angela has paid £31.50 for tickets. So how many tickets did Angela buy? This is the last step now. So how many £4.50 go into £31.50? Now, there are different ways to do this, but you can, just to be extra safe here, it's a 4-mark question, let's be safe, you could just write these out in almost like a £4.50 times table. So we could just write it as 45. Sometimes if you divide decimals, you can get rid of the decimal first, and then you can use common sense to work out the answer. So, really in a way, if we just add up our 45s, we should be able to see when it gets up to 315 or 31.5. So let's put a few in here. So, 1 45 is 45. 2 45s is 90, then it's 135, add 45 is 180, add 45 is 225, add another one is 270, add another 45, we have 315. So how many tickets did she buy if they were £4.50 each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tickets. Yeah, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. And hopefully you can see If we put our decimal back in, it would be there. Yeah, £4.50, and that makes sense. £31.50. Well, the first one, she paid more than that for 9 tickets. This is £31.50. It's a bit less than 9. 7 tickets. That sounds about right, and it is 4 marks, and we are done.